Hello, boys and girls. I will be reading the Understanding Key Details number 10. It's titled The Underground Railroad. The term Underground Railroad was created to describe the trails, houses, and other hideouts that were used for people to escape slavery in the 1800s. Did you know that the Underground Railroad wasn't really a railroad at all? And it was not even underground. The term underground was used because it was a secret, and railroad was used because it was a way to move people from one place to another. Former slaves and white people who did not believe in slavery helped slaves escape from the South slave states to the northern United States, where they would be free. Although an exact number is not known, it is believed that over 100,000 slaves escaped to freedom on the Underground Railroad. Number one, who used the Underground Railroad? And make sure you use the race format. So you would restate the question first, then answer the question. So it says, who used the Underground Railroad? You could say that the Underground Railroad was used by, then you will answer the question. The next one, number two, says, what was the Underground Railroad used for? You can say the Underground Railroad was used to or for, then write the answer. Number three, where were people going on the Underground Railroad? So you could say people used the Underground Railroad to go blank, or you can say the people who were using the Underground Railroad were going, then you would just answer the question by looking back in the passage. And then it says, when was the railroad used? And you can say the railroad was used, and then you can tell them, you can state when it was used. And the fifth one, says, how many slaves escaped? You would say blank amount of slaves escaped. However, whatever the number is, you put that, then you write slaves escaped. And then the last one, why was it called the Underground Railroad? And you could say it was called the Underground Railroad because, then answer the question. And that is all. So go back and listen to this passage as many times as you need to.